Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to install VLC on Mac. So what you're going to do, go ahead to the official website of VideoLAN, okay? And then before you download, make sure that Mac OS version is compatible with VLC in order to access the full feature. And once you check that one out, what you're going to do, hit download VLC, okay? And once you download it, you're going to see that I already downloaded. So I'm going to open up the location, right? I'm going to just press the DMG, right? And inside, what I'm going to do simply is drag the VLC to applications. So I'm going to just take it to applications and wait for a few moments until they copy all the details. And as you can see, we're done copying the details. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just head over the side panel here on your left to the applications. Right? Inside, you're going to see the VLC is uploaded. So all you got to do now is just double click to open up. Right? Now they're verifying the VLC. Right? And once you verify the VLC, you're going to be able to run it. Okay? And inside, you're going to be able to just put your videos there to be played by the VLC. So I'm going to show you that in a matter of seconds. So now I'm going to just hit open, right? And inside, I'm going to be able to run it. So enable metadata retrieval, okay? And go ahead and drop your media here and play it via the VLC. All right, just give them access. Okay, and basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.